This is gonna blow your mind. Have you ever thought about why we say bless you after someone sneezes? The tradition of saying bless you dates back to ancient times. People once believed that sneezing could release your soul or let evil spirits in. Back in the 6th century, during the time of the plague, Pope Gregory suggested saying God bless you to protect the sneezer from sickness. Fast forward, and the habit stuck around. In fact, in some cultures, sneezing was considered a sign of good luck or divine favor. So next time someone sneezes, remember it's not just a polite reflex. It's a little piece of history every time you say, bless you.